Hi, I'm Anderson with Big Ass Fans here at the Melbourne Home Show. Just going to give you a quick tour of our newsstand and update you on some of our really cool products. So let's check out one of our premium Haiku fan finishes. This is one of our bamboo foils. This one is caramel. We have cocoa as well. It's actually real bamboo, made out of 5 layers of pressed moso bamboo. That's a sustainable resource. It regrows every 7 years. So if you're into the green sustainability network, then this is the fan foil for you. So now we're going to talk about one of our artisan fans. This is actually a print of an original design painted by an artist in the United States. So this is a hydrographic print that's been dipped into the actual artwork, and it is printed on the fan blades. We currently have about 11 different finish options of artists who have designed fans. The next option we have is our copper Luxe finish. So it's an aircraft grade aluminum foil with an airbrushed copper finish that you don't ever have to clean because it's not real copper. It's just like a shiny new car with its copper finish, definitely for the luxurious minded, and a nice center pop piece for your ceiling. Now we have our black I-Series Haiku fan. This is our original smart Haiku fan with SenseMe technology. With SenseMe, it has an occupancy sensor, temperature and humidity, and it's going to learn your preferences over time. You pair it with your smartphone, and it can control it from sitting on your couch down to laying in your bed in your bedroom. So, any questions? Feel free to stop by our stand at the Home Show. We look forward to seeing you.